Good morning. It's about 5:40 in the morning and it's very cold outside. I am literally in the pump house. So this is the area of the cistern pump, and I pulled the cistern pump. This is it right here. It's been acting up. It's been showing some weird symptoms lately. So actually, I think the motor's been burning up. It's a few years old and it's just not working right. So I got a new pump. They're relatively inexpensive for $100 for a pump, 108, something like that. But what I'm going to do is just quickly change it out and see what happens. See if I can get some water this morning into the house. So here's the mess I'm working with right now. Pump goes like this. And I got these quick releases here, and if you ever get a pump, get the quick release, which is that piece right there. And it just snaps right in and you're good to go. So I can change this pump out relatively quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I can't really film at the same time, but I'll just show you the end product. What I need to do is just cut these wires here and then set the wires in the right spot, and it should run. And I'll get it running and see what happens. Okay, here it is, all wired up, ready to go. I had to cut one wire and separate out to get the basically the DC pump to work here. So it just takes two wires. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to so I guess it comes with its own like pressure switch or shut off switch, but I have the square D in the house off the pressure tank. So I had to cut that wire off or separate it off and then put it to my pressure switch in the house. So that's what that's doing. It's just two wires, literally, your black and your red. And that goes off into the house down there. I just got to screw it down, not too tight. But you got these rubber pads on this thing. You don't want to squish them down, but you want to get to where it can kind of move, not bounce around, but at least take some of the vibration out as it works on those things instead of sending vibration through your line. So that's it. Let's see how it goes. So I have to get ready for work now. I'm a teacher full-time. That's what I do. So I'm just going to go ahead and head into town and first I got to get dressed. Can't walk into school like this. Anyway, you guys have a great morning. It's been quite a wild ride. When things fall, we just had a snow day yesterday. School's closed. Pump was working pretty fine, getting a little weak, but it was doing okay. But it literally conked out right before I went to bed last night when I was brushing my teeth. So I just figured I'd get up a little bit early and get it changed out this morning. The job with videoing in it and me running back and forth into the house probably took half an hour. If I had remembered all the parts, all the tools, everything I needed, probably would have taken me 15 minutes to change this out, tops. But it just kind of, it's 5:30 in the morning. I'm trying to get my brain activated. Haven't had a cup of coffee, and it took me probably about half an hour. So not that tough. So yeah, time to go. Enjoy your day.